Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and I wanted to ask you, are you fearful of the economy and not having enough money? Or, does the economy determine your financial destiny? So much is circulating in the world right now about, the economic state, the increased cost of living, inflation. There is so much happening. And if you're feeling fearful about the economy and about your financial future, then you may actually be unconsciously connected to the thoughts and fears of others. This is known as group consciousness, where large groups of people generate powerful thought forms, and those thought forms are very negative, and they can affect your thinking and cause you to respond to them as if they are your own thoughts. And that's how powerful group consciousness beliefs can be. So here's the truth: we live in an abundant universe. And you can live an abundant life regardless of what the economy is doing and outside conditions. Your abundance is determined by your internal mindset. History has proven, so many times, over the years, if you look at, the Great Depression that we had, we look at, the global financial crisis, they were very bad times. But at the same time, people were having the most successful times ever. So how is it possible that you can have such a negative experience happening around the world and people can be thriving from it? It's important in times like these that we keep our thoughts about our economic future positive, regardless of what is going on in the economy. If you would like to shift your mindset from a fear state to a wealth mindset, and the wealth mindset is what's going to allow you to be successful regardless of what is happening around the world, regardless of what is happening in your economy, then all you got to do is connect with me in my next Wealth Consciousness class. The details are below in the caption. It will transform your life. It will change your thinking, and it'll allow you to know that you are one with the Creator and that abundance is your birthright. So I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.